The midpoint of AB is given by x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay, now I told you before, when I write this must be subscript, that is below. You cannot write like that. Why cannot write like that? Can you tell me why? Y squared cannot. You cannot use superscript in text. You understand? Clear? This is not English. Follow? Okay? Alright, so this is the midpoint. Okay? And I want all of you to turn the page, because I'm going to go through all the examples. Okay? I want all of you to turn the page to page 181. Page 181. Can you see this is how you write the shoelace formula? Half, then 2 stroke down there, correct? I told you for triangle, there will be 4, right? 4 sets, because we'll repeat the first set. Is that correct? What about for quadrilateral? How many sets will that be? 5. But all the vertices must go in which direction? Anti-clockwise. Very good. You must remember all that. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Now I'm going to go through example 7 first. Okay. Can all of you read through the questions while I draw the diagram? Now, usually I do not like to use the visualizer because it sort of hinders my presentation. You understand? I'm quite surprised by it. Okay, so I'd rather do like that, but you're not paying attention. Okay, now let's have a look at this question. The diagram shows a triangle PQR with vertices P, Q, and R given. N and N are the midpoints of PR and QR respectively. Find the coordinates of M. Now, this is very easy, right? This is the midpoint. So, M will be negative 4 plus 6 over 2, 9 plus 11 over 2. So, this will be a 1, right? What about this? What is this? Then, what about N? 6 plus 8 over 2, 11 plus 1 over 2. 7, 6, right? So this first part, you will have no problem. Can you see it? It will be 1 mark each. It cannot be 4 marks like that. Then there's no meaning to our next video. Do you understand? Okay, so these are the midpoints. Are we clear? Okay, next part. Part 2. Show that PQ is 2 times of MN. PQ is 2 times of MN. Now, I'm not going to go through this. Can you see, with these coordinates, I can find the length of PQ. I can use the length formula, right? Okay. Then, after I found this, I can also find the length of MN, right? Then I show that it's 2 times. Do you understand? Can or cannot? Okay, to look at your textbook, it shows that PQ is 4 root 13. Can you see it now? And then MN is what? 2 root 13. Can you see it's 2 times? Can you see it? Yes or no? Okay, I'm not going to show up because you know how to do it. Okay, now, next part, part 3. Is MN parallel to PQ? Explain. Okay. To show that MN is parallel to PQ, you show that they have the same one. Radian. Okay? Can you understand that? So this is a very simple example 7. Are we okay? Now, I want to ask you a question. Do you understand that once you get these 2 wrong, right, the whole question will be wrong? Can you see it? Can you see it will affect the length? It will also affect the gradient. So, when questions come out in this particular manner, can you please don't make careless mistakes? Can or cannot? Okay? Because it's for your own good. It will lead you to a lot of other mistakes. Do you follow? Yes or plus 10 at the points A and B. Find the coordinates n, the midpoint of AB. Now, I'm not going to solve this as well. I'm going to tell you how to do it. Do you agree that these two are simultaneous equations? Correct? Now look at the question again. What did they say? They are combining in simultaneous equation. Okay? If you look at the Taylor series, they always have this type of question. They will combine two topics together. Clear? Okay. The line y equals to x minus 2 intersects the curve this at the points A and B. Find the coordinates of M, the midpoint of A and B. That means I will have a curve, and this curve will intersect the line at A and B, right? Alright, that means I must solve this simultaneous equation. Am I right to say that? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, clear. Then after I get the 2 points, right, which the textbook tells you, it is 6, 4, and what? Negative 1, negative 3, right? Either one can be A or B, it doesn't matter. Alright? How do I get the midpoint? I just use the midpoint formula to get it. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Then I want to ask, how would you solve this simultaneous equation? Sub which into which? 1 into 2. You always sub the linear into the non-linear. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay, good. Now, next. D. Alright? D is the point 4, negative 4. This is part B, part 2. D is the point 4, negative 4. Okay? Such that it is the midpoint of CN. Okay? Find the coordinates of C. Now, we know M is what from part 1? M is what? 2.5 half, right? I'm talking to you. Yes or no? Okay, the question says this. D is a point for negative 4, okay? Such that it is the midpoint of C N. Okay, M is here. Then we don't know this point C, right? But this is the midpoint. Am I right to say that? Yes or no? Now I did this kind of question before. All of you look up. I can let this be AB, right? Alright. Now all of you look at this. Please don't make this not a mistake, right? I will have A plus 2.5 over 2. B plus half over 2. This must give me 4, negative 4, correct? Do you understand? Yes or no? I'm talking to you. Yes or no? Then what do? You equate this one, right? Alright. You equate this to this and equate this to this, you can solve for your A and B, right? Therefore, you can solve for your coordinates of C. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? I'm talking to the class. Yes or no? Okay. When was this introduced? When was this introduced? Remember I told you when there's a parallelogram, this midpoint will be the same, right? Okay? If you are given the 3 here, you can find this one, right? Correct? Using the midpoint. Understand? Because midpoint you can get it from these two. Understand? Then don't need to go and do simultaneous equation and so on and make mistakes. Everybody clear? So are we okay with example 8? Are we okay with example 8? I'm going through the main points. Are we okay? Alright, next. We will move on to example 9. Now you'll realize that in O-levels, they like to give you a picture or a diagram, then ask you to solve from there. Okay, now class, don't disfigure the picture. Do you understand? Or they have nothing to refer to. Alright, now I'm going to draw the diagram now. Example 9. given. Again, I am not going to solve, I'm just going to tell you the main points, okay? Can I just request that you stop now? I'm very irritated, let me tell you. Alright, let's do a question. The diagram shows a triangle with vertices at A67, B21, and C negative 45. L and M are the midpoints of what? A, B, and BC respectively. The line through LM meets the x-axis at the point A. Find the coordinates of L and M. I think this one no problem, right? Since they say it's a midpoint, no, I don't draw like it's a midpoint. They tell you it's a midpoint, that means it's a midpoint. Do you understand now? Okay? So you just need to find the midpoint, okay? I don't need to show you. So I will write down the coordinates of M and L. M will be -1, 3, and L will be 4, 4. So this guy is 4, 4. This guy is what? I wrote the other way around. M is what? Over the other side, come on. I saw the diagram even worse than the diagram. Wait now. Just a minute. Okay. -1, 3, 4, 4. This one is A, 6, 7. C, -4, 5. Now, are you okay with getting the midpoint? I think I don't need to say that, can Okay, it's the second part that I'm worried about. All of you listen, second part. What did they say? Okay? Find the ratio of LM is to MN. They want this length is to this length. Okay? Now, exam, right? A lot of people will do this. All of you look up this. Shall we? Now, if you want to split in my class, then you don't try to tell me why A-maths is so difficult. Everything will be difficult if you don't listen to the teacher. Yeah? Okay. A lot of you will do this. You will find the equation of Ln. Then you will say when y is 0, right? You get this point. Then you find this length, right? Then you're going to waste a lot of time. Do you understand what I'm talking about? So I'm going to draw something on the board for you, okay? I want all to look up. Do you agree these two will be similar triangles? Do you agree? 90, angle exercise, so AA similarity. Is that clear? When they are similar triangles, that means the lengths are in proportion, am I right? Okay? If I want this length to this length, it's the same as this length to this length, right? Can you see it? Okay. May I know what is this length? How many units? 1. Good. How much is this? 3, right? Correct. Now, if this to this is 1:3, this to this will also be 1:3, right? Answer found already. Don't need to work so hard. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? That's why we have to do similar triangles before we finish chapter. Everybody clear now? Everybody clear now? Must you go and find equation meet already, then after that, after that, still cannot find? No. Okay? Just use this. Do you follow? Yes or no? Okay? Even if they want to find other things also can use a similar triangle. Are we clear? Okay? Alright. of 3 other vertices. This is because the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Are we clear, right? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay, next will be example 10. I'm going to draw the diagram as well. Am I too fast? Are you okay? Can you get it? Okay, huh? So, example 10 now. Basically, you have 2 triangles that are similar. Correct? This is 1 unit. This is what? 3 units. So, this is your LN. This is your LN. So, this will also be 1 unit, 3 units. Right? The ratio must be the same. Units, I'm not talking about the real length. Understand what I'm talking about? For example, if this is 3, how much will this be? The ratio are the same, remember? When 2 triangles are similar, the ratio of all the sides are the same. Clear now? Must you find the actual side? Other sides also can. Other sides also can, alright? Okay? Alright, good. So that is your example 9. Next, I'm moving on to example 10. Okay? I'm going to draw the diagram on the board. Everybody look up. Okay, the question says this. This is easier. Hold up, please. Hold up. The diagram shows a parallelogram ABCD in which the vertices are so and so forth. Given that M is the midpoint of AC, find the coordinates of M. Are you able to find the coordinates of M? Which is the midpoint here? Yes, right? Alright. Okay, so M will be 8 plus, sorry, I must put the other one first. What do we have there? Negative 2 plus 6 over 2, 4 over 2. So this will be a what? Is it a 2, 0? Is M a 2, 0? Yes, 2, 0. Now, if I know, can you see mine is a bit off because it doesn't lie on the 0. Can you see? It doesn't matter. So how do I get PQ? So I will have P plus 8 over 2 equals to 2, right? Then Q plus what? 6 over 2 equals to what? 0. Then you can get the answer for P and Q. Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay, Alright, good. So that's how we get P and Q. The coordinates of M. The midpoint of M, sorry. Hence, find the coordinate of D. Are we found? M is this, the PQ will be D. Part 2. Can you see it? Talking to you. Okay. Next part. What do they say? Show that ABCD is a rhombus. What is so special? They already tell you it's a parallelogram. So there's no need to prove parallelogram anymore. They tell you it's a parallelogram. Yes. So you just need to prove up for a rhombus. Not all sides. If it's a parallelogram, you must prove the 2 adjacent sides. This one and this one equal already. Because if these 2 are equal, this and this equal. You don't go and prove this and this equal, no use. They are confirmed equal because it's a parallelogram. Do you understand? You must prove adjacent sides. I'm talking to you. Yes or no? Now, class, let me tell you this. Look up. I will always prove this line equal to this line. I try not to use this one. Why? Why don't I want to use point B? In case what? In case you get it wrong, right? Do you agree? Okay? So, I will prove that this line is equal to this line. Then it will be a rhombus. Are we clear? What's the difference between a rhombus and a square? What's the difference between a rhombus and a square? I want to ask you, is a rhombus a square? Is a square a rhombus? say first, because this is an important one and people always don't understand. Now, let me just give you a scenario first, before I go on to example 11. All of you look at the board. If I have a line AB, okay, I know this gradient is 2. I want to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. What should I do? Do I know the gradient? If it's perpendicular, do I know the gradient? So what's the gradient? Negative half, right? Which point will it pass through? The midpoint of what? AB, right? Can you see it? That's why it's called a perpendicular bisector. This is one thing that you must engrave into your brain. Understand? Yes or no? Okay? So, perpendicular bisector gradient will be known already, and it must pass through the midpoint of the line segment. Is that clear? Okay? Alright, good. Then I'm going on to example 11. Let's take a look at the diagram. Okay, I'm going to do this on the board now. The line 5x plus 7y intersects the x-axis at point A and the y-axis at point B. Find the coordinates of A and of B. Alright? Now, this is from the diagram. That means, actually we don't know yet. So this is a B, this is a A. How to present? This class knows how to present work. Anyhow, right? Expect me to go by it. And A, what is 0? And A, what is 0? Y. Y is 0. So 5x equals to 35, x equals to 7. Therefore, A is 7, 0. Are we clear? Yes or no? Write some indication. Don't just anyhow present. Okay. At B, what is 0? X is 0. So 7y equals to 35. Y equals to 5, right? So B will be 0, 5. Can you see it now? That's why they get a 7, 0 and 0, 5. Are we clear with the explanation here? I still hear something more. Are we clear here? Okay, alright, good. Next. The perpendicular bisector of AB intersects the line y equal to x and C. Find the coordinates of C. I must find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Agree? Yes or no? I'm talking to you. Okay. Then this is the important part. I'll look at the board. Because this is a very common question in O level. Okay. Now 5x plus 7y equals to 35. 7y is 35 minus 5x, right? What is y? 5 minus 5 was 7x, right? Now, I don't like this, I will write like that. Is this okay? Is this okay? Okay? So, this is the equation of this line. That means, what is the gradient of AB? Negative 5 was 7, right? Correct. What is the gradient of perpendicular bisector? Will be 7 over 5, right? Okay. What's the midpoint of AB? 0 plus 7 over 2, 5 plus 0 over 2, right? So I will get a 3 and a half, 2 and a half, correct? I'm talking to you. Yes or no? So, what will be the equation of perpendicular bisector, it will be y minus 2.5 equals to 7/5 x minus 3.5. Alright, I'm talking to you, yes or no? Yes, okay? So, what am I supposed to do after that? I'm supposed to simplify this one first, right? So I will have y equals to 7/5x minus, what is this? Can someone key for me? 7/5 times 3.5. Negative. 7/5 times 3.5 negative. Then plus 2.5, what is it? Negative what? I want fraction. Can you take this times negative 3.5? Then plus of 2.5, what is it? Negative what? I know, I want improper fraction. 12/5, right? Correct? Yes or no? Now, after you get this, do you live happily ever after? What did the question say? Find the coordinates of what? C. And what is this C? What is this C? The intersection of the perpendicular bisector and the line y equals to 2x, right? That means this is equation 1. Y equals to 2x is equation 2, right? Correct? You got to solve this to get C, correct? I'm talking to you. Okay, if I solve this to get C, I will get C as -4, -8. This is called working, understand? Okay, then what did they ask? Find the what? Area, right? Of ACB. Now there's no need to work so hard. So C is where? -4, -8, so somewhere here. You can just use the shoelace method. Do you understand? You can just use the shoelace method. Okay, let's revise how to write the shoelace method, okay? Most likely I can only finish until here. The last part, I will do it tomorrow. Will that be okay? Will that be okay? 7.4 I will do it tomorrow, then I'll start revision already. Okay? Alright, now, so, area of triangle will be half, like that. Must go in what direction? Tell me again. Empty. You want to start with which one? You tell me. You want to start with C. C is what? -4, -8. So, C will go to what? A, then B, then C again. Okay? So, we will have -4, -8, 7, 0, 0, 5, -4, -8 again. Understand? Okay, so how? This is no longer a 2 strokes, it's a bracket already. Okay, what is this? 0, what's this? 35, what's this? 0, so nothing, right? Okay, minus, what's this? -56, this one? 0, this one? -20, okay. 35 minus, what's this? -76. So this is half into what? Plus together. 111, right? Is it 111? Inside 111. So this will be a 55 and a half, right? Unit square, right? Can you see that? I don't have to work so hard, find length, or whatever. I just use the shoelace method I can get the last. Everybody clear so far? Everybody clear so far? Okay. Now, next. I want to ask one question. Because in Emacs, it's always come like that. Then you also use shoelace method. I feel like boxing you. What if I only want this triangle? Area of this triangle. How? But shoelace method. Yes, okay. Half base times side can be right. So half times what? 7 times what? 5. No more shoelace method. Then put the already the 0, 0, then you can like that. I tell you, I told you I was fasting. Simple simple things, you want to do more complicated things. Understand? Will not be not wrong, but you're wasting your time. You can walk to the toilet, before you go to Jurong, then take the bus back to the toilet. Okay, that's how wasting of time. Okay? Alright. Are we clear so far? Are we clear so far? Okay, good. Now, the areas part for the next part, right? I will do it tomorrow. Okay, what number is it on the content page of your AMAX now? What number is it? Now number 3 again. Now it's number 4. Now I write number 4. Okay. Perpendicular is like that. Understand? Understand? Don't go and anyhow draw, don't know what, then tell me what perpendicular, don't know what shit you're drawing. Some people give me a cross, then perpendicular, I don't know what you want. Okay? So, exercise 7.3, full square. Five, 6, 8. Sure. Wow. Wow. 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to double check so that I don't miss out anything. This is due tomorrow. What's your question? Until 5, 6, 8. Correct. 12. Correct. 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, these are the ones that are what? How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Quite simple. 5 minutes, only 45 minutes.